Good morning, everyone. It's Ann McBride from ENJO Canada. Guess what I'm doing today? Yes, it is Tackle the Oven Cleaning Day. So what I've done already this morning is I've used some marble paste on my glass, and I've taken out the racks, and I've just put some water like this. I've squirted water in my oven on the bottom. You can see how disgusting that is. And up the side. And it's really cool using this water bottle because I can squirt it upside down and sideways, and it's getting all over the place. So it is now 9:28 a.m. and I'm going to show you how quick it is to clean this oven. And I'm going to be back shortly with an amazing clean oven to share with you. So this is my tips and hints day. So now it's 10:08. I've let the stove or the oven soak for about half an hour. In that meantime, I have finished up my yogurt that I made in my Instant Pot. I've played 2 games of Wimbledon tennis on my Wii. And what I have done is I have now put some marble paste on the base with some water. I've scrubbed it in, and I'm just going to let that sit for a little while, and you can see that there's already improvement. I am not a huge caretaker of my oven, but it's easy to clean up when I'm using my ENJO. So stand by, I'll touch base with you soon. Okay, this is my last segment. It is now 10:38. So I've been at cleaning my stove with ENJO for about the last hour. Now it's not been constantly cleaning because I have done a lot of other little jobs, and this morning between cleaning my oven, I got to talk to my daughter. That was really exciting. Good morning, Jacqueline. But I just wanted to let you see the results. So, ta-da! If you can remember how disgusting my oven was when I started, and now see how shiny it is. And this is all just fibers, ENJO fibers, water. I did use a scrubby, and I did use a glass cleaner or a glass blade to get the spattered grease baked on spots off my glass. But I didn't have to be exposed by toxic chemicals. I didn't have to have my head stuck in an oven for a while. I didn't have to use exorbitant amount of energy doing a self-clean oven. This is all with the use of ENJO's marble paste. And I'll show you, this is my old container, my marble paste. I used water and lots of it. And I used my ENJO fibers. Now they're in the wash now because they're disgusting. But how easy was that? How quick was that? And how environmentally conscious? If anyone has interest in finding out how this works in their oven, I'd be happy to come to your house and do a little demo. So have a great day, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.